Hmm.
Once upon a time, there was one forest. In that forest, there were so many animals, like rabbit, cow, and more. One day, rabbit came to turtle. "Let us run a race," said the rabbit. Turtle smiled and agreed to run. They started. Turtle runs slowly. Rabbit runs off, leaving the turtle far behind. Turtle runs slowly. Rabbit laughed and rested under a tree and slept down under the tree. Turtle reached the line and won the race. Turtle says to Rabbit, "I am slow and steady, so I won the race."
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Apa naik? Naik kerja apa?
Tan tan tan